We explore the vast universe, searching for life beyond our planet. Yet, right here on Earth, human behavior often presents the greatest mysteries. Infidelity, a betrayal of trust within intimate relationships, is one such enigma. While societal norms and personal values condemn it, infidelity persists throughout history and across cultures. Could there be a deeper, more primal force at play? This essay delves into the science behind infidelity, specifically in men. We'll journey into the realm of biology, examining the primal instincts and brain functions that may contribute to this complex behavior. Imagine early humans navigating a world teeming with dangers. Survival depended on their ability to find food, secure shelter, and reproduce. For men, passing on their genes was essential. This primal urge, ingrained over millennia, still whispers within the modern male psyche. In the ancient world, a man's reproductive success was often measured by the number of offspring he produced. This biological imperative drove behaviors that maximized mating opportunities. While our world has changed drastically, these ancient instincts haven't vanished. They persist like whispers from the past, influencing our thoughts and actions in subtle ways. The drive to procreate, to ensure the survival of one's genetic line, was paramount. This meant seeking multiple partners to increase the chances of siring children. Resources and status were also key factors. Men who possessed these traits were more likely to attract mates and provide for their offspring, further solidifying their place in the evolutionary chain. Science provides compelling evidence of biology's role in infidelity. Studies have identified specific hormones and genes linked to this behavior. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, plays a significant role in sexual desire and drive. Higher levels of testosterone have been associated with increased infidelity in some men. Another intriguing area of research focuses on the vasopressin receptor gene. This gene influences pair bonding and attachment. Variations in this gene have been linked to differences in marital satisfaction and fidelity. Men with certain gene variants may be more prone to seeking multiple partners. These biological factors don't act in isolation, of course. Environmental influences, social norms, and personal values all intersect to shape an individual's choices. However, understanding the biological underpinnings provides a crucial piece of the puzzle. It helps us to see how deeply rooted these behaviors can be. From urge to action, how instincts drive deception. The path from primal urge to deceptive action is complex and winding. Instincts can influence our perceptions and behaviors in subtle ways. A man may find himself drawn to others despite being in a committed relationship. The ability to deceive is deeply rooted in our biology. In the animal kingdom, deception is often a survival tactic. Humans have elevated deception to an art form. Recognizing these urges helps us make conscious choices about our actions. Section 5. Case Studies when biology meets behavior. While general trends exist, it's crucial to remember that every individual is unique. Let's examine hypothetical case studies to illustrate how biological factors can interact with environmental influences.
John, a successful businessman, has always been driven and competitive. His high testosterone levels fuel his ambition but also contribute to a heightened sex drive. Despite being happily married, he engages in an extramarital affair. In John's case, his biological predisposition intersects with a high-pressure environment where infidelity is often glamorized.
David, a musician known for his romantic lyrics, carries a gene variant linked to lower levels of pair bonding. He struggles with monogamy despite his deep capacity for love. David's artistic temperament and sensitivity, coupled with his genetic makeup, create a perfect storm for infidelity. These examples highlight the interplay between nature and nurture. Biology provides the raw materials, but it's our experiences, choices, and values that ultimately shape our behavior. Section 6. Understanding the why, a final word. As we conclude our exploration into the science of male infidelity, it's essential to remember that understanding is not condoning. Infidelity is a complex issue with profound emotional consequences. However, by delving into the biological factors at play, we gain a more nuanced perspective. We've seen how primal instincts, honed over millennia, continue to whisper within us. We've explored the role of hormones and genes. those tiny messengers that influence our desires and behaviors, and we've examined how these factors can, in some cases, contribute to deceptive actions. The human story is one of constant interplay between our biological inheritance and our conscious choices. By acknowledging the forces at play within us, we empower ourselves to make decisions that align with our values and aspirations. And perhaps in doing so, we can bridge the gap between the primal whispers of our past and the enlightened aspirations of our future.